This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening once again to everyone. Hope my voice is audible to everyone. Yeah, thank you for the response. So, may I know that what was the last topic we were done with? Can anyone confirm me? Okay, so let you know that yesterday we have been discussed about the Google ads related to shopping ads, which is also called as product listing ads. Then we also discussed about display ads, then smart campaign or smart ads. So related to Google My Business. Okay, so these are the types of ads we discussed in the last session. Now we are going to discuss about the video ads. So when we want to run an ad related to the video ads, it is mandatory that you should be able to have a YouTube content. So how do we create the content on the YouTube? So is there anyone in this attendees that you have your own YouTube channel? Is that anyone is using or created or running an YouTube videos on your own? So if it is yes, please type it as yes. If it is no, please type it as no. Okay, fine. So let us see how we can be able to create the YouTube content. So if I am going to, hope the screen is visible to everyone. Please confirm me. Yes. So you all know that YouTube is a platform to see the videos only, where you are being allowed to watch the video at free of cost without any charges, and it is not also allowing asking you to mandatorily log into your Gmail account. So even though without logging also we will be able to watch the videos, but as a viewer it is allowed to watch the videos. But when it comes to add the videos, if I want to add my own videos, so it is mandatory that you are supposed to create an Gmail account. You should log in with that Gmail account, and mandatorily you should be able to create your channel. So you can see here the videos which are available on this platform. So it is going to be through the particular named channels. Okay, so you can see here the name of the channels are shown below to your title of your videos. Okay, so like this, it is mandatory you should be able to log in with your own channel. So let me log in. with my mail ID. So give me a second. So now it has been logged in. So once you are going to log in with your Gmail account ID, so you can be able to see here an option as a create channel. So in case if you people are going to log in with your email ID and if you click on your profile, so if it is showing as your channel instead of create channel, if it is showing as a your channel, that means the channel is already been created by you. So knowingly or unknowingly, you might have been created a channel. So why, how it is possible means when you are going to make a playlist. So it is possible that to create the playlist, it is going to create a channel of your own name. Okay, so no worries. Either you have created a new channel knowingly or unknowingly, or you are going to create a new channel. Suppose if it is already created, how we can create another channel? So there is a possibility that you can be able to create multiple channel, but it is not suggested to create multiple channel when it has not been used at the core. Okay, so let me see that how to create a channel. So you can be able to give with your channel name, then you can be able to see that what is the handle name. So you can be able to change it. So it's been used by someone else, so I'm going to use it. Yes. So let me see that. Is there a channel with the same name? There is no channel. So I can be able to use this as my channel name. So I'll click on create channel. Yes. So once you are going to give with the name, you can be able to see with. It will take few seconds of time to get refreshed with the channel creation. Yes. So this is how the channel it is going to be get created. Suppose let's assume it the channel which has already been created by you knowingly or unknowingly, but you don't want to use that as your business channel. In that case, you can be able to create a new channel. How to create a new channel means you are supposed to go to your profile. You can see here before it was shown as a create your channel. So now it is going to ask us to select your channel. So if you want to create it a new one, so go to the settings by clicking on the profile, go to the settings, and here it is going to give you the YouTube channel name. Then Here, the second option, add or manage your channels. So click on this. So click on this, and here you can be able to create as many channels you wanted. Okay, so we have seen how to create a new channel in a new account, and in case if already a channel is created, how to create a new channel from the existing channel screen. Is that clear? Everyone till here? Yes. So the next thing is, once after creating your channel, so let me go to your channel, and here you can be able to first give your profile details. So how to give the profile details is, go to the customize channel, so I'll click on continue. So here you can be able to see an option called basic info, in which the channel name it has been given. If you have any spelling mistake, you can be able to change it, or you want to change the name of your channel itself, you can rename it. Then the handle name, what it was been given, the same thing it's here. If you want to change it, you can be able to change it. You can see that your channel can be identified with this handle name. Then give the description. So description you can be able to give it up to 1000 characters. So the recommended description, you have to give it at least 200 to 300 characters. So when you are going to explain about your channel, what is this channel is all about? So there are a lot of people who are going to check with your descriptions, because if they feel it content it is very good. So what is this channel is all about? If they want to get to know about your channel, so description is the place where they can be able to get to know about your channel. So try to describe your channel content. So what is the intention of creating this YouTube channel? What is the law all about? Okay, so you can be able to give it. So one more thing, if I want to get added with this is, in the description you can be able to give the summary of your channel or your business or the service, about your organization, and also you can be able to give the links of the various profiles which you have been created. Okay, so it may be an affiliate link also. Affiliate link means when you are being tied up with any of the products. So if you are going to sell anyone's product, so you can be able to give with that link, so that if anyone is going to click that link and they are able to buy the product, you can be able to get a commission out of it. Okay, so even that also you can be able to add it in case if you have such things. Okay, so try to feed up the more the details over here in the description, which will be, and it is also going to be helpful to you to add the keywords related to your concept, so that it will be more and more visibility. So your YouTube channel it is going to get optimized. There will be more reach, more visibility. Okay, so it is mandatory to explain about your channel through the description with minimum 200 to 300 characters. So this characters it is also going to be get counted with your space, comma, any special characters, numbers, everything it is going to be get counted, right? Yes. So I'll say that. Okay, I'll just add it with these words. And then next, with the keywords, if I want to add it. Okay, so let me keep it with this minimum words. The next thing is this is the channel link. You can be able to share this link in any of the post on the other social medias or on your website. So anywhere you can be able to give a link over here so that you can make the people to get subscribed. So the more and more you are going to subscribe, you are going to be able to earn the money. Okay, so that we will see that what is our limitations that we are going to earn the money after what eligibility criteria. The next thing is add links. As I said, you can be able to add the links in your descriptions. So there you can be able to add it with your external links. But in case if it is something related to your website with your social media links, so you can be able to add it a link over here so that it is going to display on your profile. So you can be able to add at least 4 to 5 links. Okay. So I'll just give it as website and I'll give a website address of, I'll just take this example. Okay. So if I'm going to add this, how does it displays on your profile? Let us see. So like this, you can be able to add with the multiple social media links. Then finally, you can be able to give your contact email address to get connected with. Okay. So after adding with all this information, your profile details, the next thing is branding. So in the branding, you are going to supposed to add with your profile picture. So let me add this. So the profile picture added. Then the next thing is banner. So which is very important for your. So because when you are going to add with your YouTube banner, the banner image if you are going to add it, so it is going to create more connectivity with the audience that they can feel it that it is a genuine YouTube channel. Okay, it is just like a visiting card, and it is very clear that hope you people are able to see my screen. Yeah. So you can be able to give with your YouTube banner. you can see the resolution, the size comparatively to the logo, how it looks like. I'll make use of this template. Yes. So let me add it. Okay. So I'm going to use this. So it is taking few seconds. Let us wait for it. Yeah. So it has been downloaded. Let me upload over here and check it out. How does it looks? Okay. So it's been added. Then, do you want to give a watermark on your videos? That means in every video content, do you want to show with your watermark so that no one can be able to use it, your video, the copyrights violation will not be done. So you to so if you want it like that, you can be able to add it as upload and add with your logo. So do you want to add it only at the end of the video or any particular time, or in the entire video do you want it with your logo? So you can choose with any of these options. So the profile we have been completed. Now we are going to publish this. So now if anyone is going to visit our YouTube channel, so they can be able to see our profile in following way. Yes. So click on view channel. So it is taking some time to get uploaded. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So this is how it is going to be shown over here. So if anyone visits your page, so they can be able to see with this information. Okay. So the website address, what I've been given, it is going to be shown over here. So in case of any kind of changes wanted, go to the customized channel. So go to the basic info. You can add or remove the content in case if you are going to make any changes. Click on publish after doing the necessary changes. Yes. Fine. So if anyone checks out with your about, it is going to give you their description and the links if it is provided. Okay. Now the profile creation is done. The next thing is how to upload the videos. So go to the manage videos. So it takes to you YouTube Studio screen. So in which the dashboard, it is going to give you how your channel is performing. So how many subscribers have been joined. So how many videos are running and what is the views numbers with what hours of videos is being viewed by the audience. So it is going to give you a glimpse of it. So for more details, you can be able to go to the analytics. So here it is going to give the more details. Okay. So why it is important or why it is required you to keep an YouTube channel. So the thing is, everything we cannot be able to explain it in a words, and everything we cannot be able to design it as an image. So when you are going with an videos also, it is going to help you to have a more reach on your concepts. So there are a lot of people who are going to spend their time on the video sites. In that too, YouTube is the highest or top one in the video sites. So in the more crowd over there, it is possible that you have to reach them through with your videos. So the videos can be of any kind. So either you are going to explain about your product, how to use the product, what is your product, how you have been designed your product, what are the uses of it, what are the pros of it, then what are the competitive products or services you can be able to say it. So you can be able to explain these things rather using with the words. You can be able to use it with the video content. Okay, so the more reach is there comparatively with an image displaying to compare with the video displaying. Okay, then second thing is when you are going to have the more and more viewers, you can be able to start earn the money out of it. So do you know that we can be able to earn the money through YouTube channel? Have you heard about it? So do you know that? Yes, good. Do anyone knows that what is the eligibility criteria to earn the money through the YouTube? Okay, so let us see that what is the eligibility criteria to earn the money from YouTube channel. So you can be able to see on this left hand side as earn. Okay, so you can be able to earn on the YouTube on various ways, it says, and here it is going to give you an eligibility criteria that if you want to start to earn the money through YouTube, you have to reach with minimum 1,000 subscribers, unique subscribers. Then there should be a public watch hours. That means the videos, whatever you are going to upload it, up to 4,000 watch hours within 1 year. So from the day of you are going to create a channel. So from today onwards, within 365 days, that is within 1 year, you are supposed to reach with 4,000 watch hours, right? Then, in case if not watch hours, at least it should be a public short views. That means YouTube shorts are there. So at least those shorts views has to reach up to 10 million within 90 days. That is 3 months. Okay, so whichever is possible. You can see one is uh, 1,000 subscribers minimum, and second thing is either watch hours or short views. Any one of it, it can be able to help you to get eligible for earning the money through YouTube channel. Right. So the next thing is we have to see that whether do we have any copyright issues with any of your videos. So if you have been uploaded any videos and it is not been visible on your YouTube channel on the public, when anyone is searching for your video, if it is not available, so there may be chances that your video might have content a duplication of data from other videos. So in such instances there will be a copyright violation will be applied for that video and it will be suspended. So there may be chances if you are repeating that copyright violation, so that your channel also may be suspended forever. Okay, so be careful when you are going to create a content, right? So you can be able to see that it is going to verify it at the time of uploading the videos itself. Okay, so the next thing is add the content. So now how to add the content? You should have a videos. So the videos, either you can be able to create it with any of the softwares, or you can be able to shoot the videos with a, proper camera or good resolutions with clarity. The clarity should be there. The voice should be very clear. So without having any kind of a noise. So the noise related videos should be there. So the background, everything. So make sure that it is not going to again create with the copyright violation with any of the content. Okay, so now what is the minimum timing video you are supposed to add with? So you can be able to add with a video of 1 second also, 2 seconds also, but it is not recommended. So it is recommended that to run with your content at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so 5 to 10 minutes video is more effective than keeping it for an hours together. Okay, so make sure that you are going to have the video content within 5 to 10 minutes. So if you're going to expand it, so you can be able to take some time. It depends upon the content what you're talking. So if it is a series of videos and there are more viewers are there, okay, so it may be accepted. But at the initial stage, it is recommended to have it at least 5 to 10 minutes of videos, and you can be able to get more viewers on the videos. So let me see that can we be able to create the videos. So as I said, either you can be able to record it or you are going to create it with the software. So there are professional softwares where you can be able to create the video content. But as we are not going to try with that, either we can be able to make use of the Canva itself, where you can be able to create a video content. Yes. So you have an option as a videos. So you have a separate category of YouTube video only. So here you can be able to join the pictures and you can be able to add a video. Okay. So meanwhile, I'll just go to some websites and try to add with the short videos. So I'll try to download few of the and we can be able to join it. So let me see this, the content. Is it going to be a suitable content for our videos? Okay, it has only one thing. It doesn't work out for me. Okay, so let me try with another website. Yeah, so I think, and make sure that you are not going to just download something with the patent marks. Yeah. So let me try with this. So let's have a look. Yeah, I'll download this. I'll add it. Okay, let me go to this. Yeah. So let it happen. Okay. So let me have it with of all this content. I'll go to the upload and I'll keep it uploaded on my Canva. Okay. So now I can be able to upload the content. So I've added the initially an image as my video content. Then I can be able to add one more block where I can add it with a video wise. So which is of 30 seconds. Then in case if you feel it that this is the content which is not required of that much of time period, okay, so I can be able to reduce it. Yes, fine. So now let us see that how does it looks with our video content. Okay, so let's assume it that it is a 30 seconds video have been created. So since I don't want to spend more time on this, I've just added some content. So when you people are going to do it, please be very careful with content and make it more attractive, more informative. Okay, so you can also be able to use it certain types of 3D animated videos also, but it is on chargeable basis where I can suggest you with the website called renderforest.com. So where you can be able to create video content in a 3D formation automations. So a lot of options are there, but it is not going to allow you to download it at free of cost. So where if you are going to download it, it will be there with your watermark will be there. So you can try with this also. This is one suggestion for creating the YouTube content. Then if you are using with a mobile, you can be able to use it with a InShot. So InShot also again it is a chargeable basis if you are using with the free version. So it is going to have its watermark. Okay. So like this. So let's hope the video has been ready and it is downloaded. Yes. Now after getting downloaded, so you should be able to rename that video name. Okay, so whenever you are going to upload any images or a video content, that is a file, if you want to upload a file on your digital platforms, it is suggested that do not just upload an image or a video or any kind of content without giving the proper name of that file. Okay, the file extension, it should be mp4 for video, jpg for images, document or powerpoint, like that you can be able to upload it, but the name of that file, it should be very clear about the subject what you are talking about. Okay, so even this also will play a role. So if it is found with some spamming words on your file name, so it is going to be again there will be a problem in your ranking of your videos or your content on the digital platform. Okay, so let us see how does it looks the total video. Okay, so let us upload this video into our YouTube channel. So click on upload videos, select the file and upload it. So now you can be able to see that the file name it is going to be listed over here. Okay, for that it is going to create one video link. So for this purpose, as I say that it is going to get registered with your file names what you have been uploaded. So if it is found with the spamming words, so it is going to have a uh, the visibility is going to make it as a less, or optimization wise it is not going to be up to the mark. Okay, so try to give it with the proper file names. Now the title. So as we see the videos, for every video what you are going to see it, so based on two things it is going to be making the audience to watch that video. Okay, one is it is going to be based on the posters what you are able to see, so which is the still posters. Okay, so that we call it as a thumbnail. So these are called thumbnails. Okay, then the second thing is you are going to see with your title of your video. Fine. So make sure that you are, whenever you are going to add with your content, so you are going to give a catchy and attractive curiosity building titles, then also with the thumbnail. So first let us see with the title. Okay, I've just given something which is going to keep on curiosity building title. So I'll just keep one question mark. Now the description. Okay, so let me give it with this description. So as we know that the description you can be able to add it up to 5,000 characters. So as much you are going to explain about the videos, so it is going to be having the more visibility because of the keywords. Okay, so a lot of people, the genuine viewers, are going to subscribe your channel based on the descriptions. Okay, so be clear with your content what you are going to talk about. So here I'm not going to create everything in a few minutes of time. So we have to see with the content, work on it. So create with the uh, different kinds of approaches. So for that reason, I've just taken few of the example over here. So try to create your content, take more time, but you should make sure that it is going to be worthful to anyone who is going to spend that much of minute of time, right? So the next thing is after giving with the description, so here it is going to talk about the thumbnail. So here by default it has taken the three thumbnail pictures from the video which is available, but we can be able to add it with our own type of thumbnail. Okay, so something catchy and interesting. So you can be able to upload the thumbnail, but before uploading the thumbnail, so there is a condition that you should verify your account with your phone number. So click on verify. It takes you to the verify account, give your contact number and click on get code. So you'll receive a code number immediately from the YouTube. Yes, so it has been verified. So now, okay, let me add a thumbnail later part. So it is going to ask us to refresh the page. If I refresh, it is going to remove all the contents what we have been added. Okay, so I'll add it later part. So once it has been added with our thumbnail content, so the next thing is we are supposed to give it whether this video it is made for the kids or for not for the kids. When you are making it for the kids, there are limitations. When you are going to say it as not for kids, so the monetization will happen. So let me choose it as no, it's not made for kids. In this also, if you want to restrict your audience with particular aged people, you can be able to specify that. Then click on show more. So if this video, if you have been made it for the promotion of any products or on behalf of any other brand, so you can be able to tick on this so that it is going to show that video it is a paid video. Okay, so it is an identity. So by this what we can be able to inform the audiences that we are able to promote their products with our channel, so you can be able to give us services on that. Okay, so if it is meant for that, you can be able to tick, otherwise untick this. The next thing is the tags, the very important part to get more reach of your videos. So it is tags. Tags are nothing but the keywords, the highlighted keywords related to your video content. Okay, so now you can be able to give it manually. So I can be able to type it as digital ad agency as one word and press enter, it becomes as one tag. So like this, you can be able to create as many you want, up to 500 characters. So the limitation is up to 500 characters. So now, okay, so it may take a time for you to identify and add it. So in the last session, I've been discussed about using the Uber suggest for the keywords. So you can be able to use that one also. Today, I'm going to give you one more link of finding the tags. So these are all called as a tag generators. So you can be able to use it on website called rapidtags.io. So this website can be able to create a tags for your YouTube content. So this you can be able to use it for the free, use tools for free, and here you can be able to write the subject and you can search for it. Okay, so I'll add it as digital marketing agency. So you can copy all this and go to your tags and paste it. So if it is in red in color, that means the content is more than the actual characters. So in this, you can be able to remove the unwanted. Okay, so make sure that whatever the content you have been added in your description and the title, so it has to have at least one or two words relevant tags over here. The next thing is the category of the video. So which category it is going to be related, because when you people are going to target the audience, so the people will be able to check the videos based on the categories. So you might have been observed in the YouTube website, when you are going to open, on the left hand side you will be having the categories. So you can be able to choose it that this is related to what kind of category. Here it is. I will take it as um, education. Okay. So the next thing is the comments. So do you want to allow all your users to comment on it, or do you have any restriction with this? So you can be able to choose the option over here, or you can be able to disable the comments itself. You might have been observed with the certain types of videos, it is not going to allow of entering the comments itself. So click on next. So the next thing is it is going to ask you, do you have a subtitle for your video? So in case if there is any conversation, that is an audio conversation with characters in the video, so if you want to give the explanation about that, so that you can be able to add it as a subtitles. So that file you can be able to upload it over here. Since there is no such type of characters involved in this video, it's not been identified. So the subtitles option, it has been removed, or it is been hidden. Okay, it is asking you to click on add an end screen. So that means it is asking, do you want to promote any of your other videos or someone else videos? So you can be able to add it over here, and also you can be able to add with your channel names. So in case if you have another channel, so you can be able to add with this. So you might have been seeing that a lot of time we spend more time on the YouTube videos. Why? Because whenever we are watching the videos, at the end of the video it is going to give some suggestions, so that we are going to click on that and we are going to spend most of the time. Okay, so do you want to make the people to get connected to your other videos also, or do you want to promote someone else channels videos also? You can be able to add it over here under the end screen option. Okay. The next thing is add cards. Add cards means you might have been observed when you are going to run an YouTube video, on the top right hand side there will be a white color suggestions, it will run. Okay, so on which you can be able to give a video link, so that whenever they are going to watch that video, they can be able to click on that link, and it will open with a new tab and it will keep it ready for the next video, so that they are not going to get missed with that content. Okay, so do you want to give such type of card in this video content? So you can click on add and you can be able to add with the video link. So now I'll click on next. Now it is going to get verified at the time of uploading the video itself, whether the content what is uploaded, is it with any of the duplication of the content or not. So since there is no duplication founded, so it says no issues found and it is with right mark. So if there was any kind of a content which was not acceptable, it would have been stopped over itself. so that your account is not going to get into a suspension. Okay, so the video is being verified, there is no copyright violation. Then click on next. So finally it is going to ask you, do you want this video to be available for the public? So you can be able to choose it as public over here, so that it will be available on the YouTube when they type with the keyword. So it is going to give the link of that video. Suppose if you say that I want to keep it as private, that means it should be available on the YouTube, but it should not be visible for the public. I should be able to give a access to the certain mail IDs, so that only those people can be able to view my videos. The next one is unlisted. So I'm not going to make it public of that video, but I will share the link of my video to the people, so that they can be able to view my video only through that link. So these are the ways of visibility of your video. So which one it is going to be preferable, you can choose with it. Is it publicly you want to make it available, or is it you want to give a access to the people privately, or do you want only to access the video through the link what you are going to share it? Okay, so choose with any of this. As of now I'm going to keep it as unlisted. Okay, I'll let you know why it is. I don't publish it immediately through public. The next thing is, in case if you are making it as a public, you can be able to schedule that when you want to get uploaded on the YouTube channel. So you can keep it ready and you can give a date and time, so that the particular time period only it is going to get uploaded with your video. Okay, so you can be able to choose with any of those options. So finally I'm going to click on save. So the link is generated. You can be able to share the link in all these platforms. As of now I'll close this. So in the list of videos, this video it is going to be shown, but the visibility it is going to be shown as unlisted. Okay, now why I made it as unlisted means because the content what have been added, so I want to make some changes in that, like it is not there with any of the audio. So let me try to add an audio to that. So I can go to the edit of this video. You can see that the content whatever you have been done, so it is available. As I said, I'll go to the upload thumbnail. I'll add an image. Okay, okay, so let me try to add this. Yeah, so I've added my thumbnail, you can see here. Then with this I can go to the editor section, click on get started. and you can be able to do certain changes over here. So in case if your video, if you feel it is very much lengthy, it's not required with that particular content, you can be able to trim and cut that particular part of the video. Then in case if there are certain characters and you want to highlight only particular character, then you can be able to add a blur on that particular character information. Then if you want to add an audio, so you can be able to add an audio to your content. So you can play this. Okay. Okay. So I'll just add this. So now you can see the video with this addition of the audio. Okay. So with all this changes, whatever you wanted, you made it. Then click on save. Okay, so it will take some time to get uploaded with all the changes what we have done. Then save it. Then change the visibility from unlisted to public, so that your video it is going to be available publicly to the audience. Is that clear to everyone with how to create a YouTube channel and how you can be able to upload a video, and what are the things you are supposed to take care when you are going to add within videos? Is there any doubt? Okay, fine then. So we'll meet up in the next session with creating of ads on the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you all. Have a wonderful day.